Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you tips on how to gain brand awareness, network with your target audience, and get more sales for your business. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of 5 methods you can use to improve your online marketing strategy so that you can reach out to more customers. If you want more tips on growing your online influence and building your online empire as a business owner, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video every Friday. As a business owner, it might be challenging to find ways to reach out to your target audience, especially when it comes to digital marketing strategies. Method 1. Network with centers of influence. The first method that I have for you is to network with centers of influence. Successful businesses are built upon strong relationships with others, and influencers have the ability to boost your reputation and credibility through word of mouth, collaborations, and partnerships. It is one of the best ways to reach out to your target audience by leveraging on an existing audience which are highly targeted if you connect with the centers of influence in your specific niche. If you are able to afford it, you can look for influencers who are willing to do paid sponsored posts to help you increase your brand visibility with their existing audience. The reason why this is so effective is because they have already built a relationship with their followers and their followers trust them. Method 2. Offer to help others. If you feel that investing in paid sponsored posts is too costly because you are a small business, the second method that you can use is to start spreading the word about your business, is to offer to help others. Networking is not just about benefiting yourself, but it is about building relationships whereby both parties can benefit from each other. It is not just about receiving help from others, but also making the effort to help others out. When you offer to help others as well, the person on the receiving end may find this help so useful that they start recommending your services to others. When you start with helping others out, you can request for testimonials in return to start building your social proof and gain credibility so that you can kickstart your business and start bringing in sales. Realistically, it is tough to get your first sale if your company does not have any reviews or testimonials because buyers are more savvy these days and they tend to do their research and make comparisons online before making a buying decision. A strong professional network should never be underestimated, as having testimonials can help you have a competitive edge over other businesses and help you with your career development. Method 3. Optimize keywords to improve visibility. The third method that you can use is to optimize keywords to improve visibility. Always conduct keyword research when you are creating content so that your content can be optimized for the keywords that you are targeting. If you have a website, investing in search engine optimization will be beneficial in the long run. If you are not sure what SEO is, it is basically using keywords that are commonly searched for by users on Google. For example, you are searching for a dentist in Oceanside, California, and you open Google and key in dentist in Oceanside, California. Most people will be likely to click on the first result which shows up on Google, and the websites which appear as the top few results is because they have optimized their website using SEO, using the keywords dentist in Oceanside, California to rank on the first page of Google for that search term. Hiring an SEO expert can cost you a few hundreds to a few thousands of dollars a month, depending on the number of keywords and locations that you are trying to rank for. As a new startup with a small budget, you cannot afford to waste money and blow your budget before you even break even and start to make profits. If you do have a capital set aside, then it is advisable that you start investing in SEO right away, because once you start to rank on Google, you can literally get free traffic as you don't have to rely on paid per click ads. It is best to hire an expert once you have the financial capabilities to do so. You can also choose to invest in an SEO tool which is much cheaper, conduct the SEO research yourself, and add those keywords into your website. However, SEO is not just about keywords, as it includes on-page and off-page optimization, including link building, and it can get really complicated because you need to know certain rules, such as avoiding keyword stuffing, which can result in your page getting flagged as spam. When this happens, you can even be removed from the search engine results page. In order to conduct SEO effectively, you will need to take an SEO course to be fully equipped and be able to implement all the techniques involved so that you can rank your website using white hat methods. If you are on a budget, you can also start with other free methods such as social media marketing. Method 4. Cross-promote content on social media. The fourth method is to cross-promote content on social media. Cross-promoting content on social media is a great way to increase your brand awareness and direct people to your other social media accounts. For example, whenever I upload a new video on YouTube, I will cross-promote it on Instagram and share it in my Facebook group and on my Facebook page, including LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. Uploading content is not enough if you just let it stay where it is. Whenever you create new content, you should cross-promote it so that you can reach a wider audience on various platforms and encourage them to follow you on other social media accounts for more updates. You can engage with your target audience by searching for relevant topics, by using hashtags on Instagram, or by joining relevant Facebook groups. These are free methods to get your brand out if you are not running any paid ads. It is actually not difficult to grow an audience like what most people think, because growing your audience is just about your willingness to dedicate the time to engage with others and build your community. Method 5. Invest in paid ads. Investing in paid ads can help you deliver instant results as compared to waiting for your website to rank on Google through SEO. Paid ads can help you receive a decent return on investment, and statistics have shown that 75% of users engage on an Instagram ad that they see. Social media also has a 100% lead to close rate compared to outbound marketing, making it a very effective platform for converting your followers into customers. Running paid ads can also help you reach your target audience and people who are interested in your products or services, even if they are not following you yet. Ads can help to create brand awareness, higher levels of engagement, and bring in leads and eventually sales for your business. What other methods do you have to grow your online business? Do share it with us by leaving a comment. If you want to learn how to grow your influence on Instagram and gain Instagram followers organically, check out this video over here. And if you want to find out the most profitable business ideas that can make you rich, do check out this video over here. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, let me know by liking it. Subscribe if you have not done so, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Do share this video with anyone who will find this useful too.